Hello, this is Wen Yao Cheng demonstrating the LDS Movies app. And so as you can see, this is all our LDS movies. And then we can edit um, each movie. And then we can save and it'll update. We go detail. And we can also delete movies. If I hit delete, movie is gone. And I can also search by categories and it'll filter all funny genre movies or religion movies, and if I want to filter by title and both genre, I can do this as well. If I don't want to filter anything, just clean out, and I can also sort by the release date. Switch between ascending and descending order. And yeah, that's my movie app. Thank you for watching.